Hi, I'm Tyrrell, aka Songbird Superhero. Let's write a superhero story. First, you need a superhero. Yay, that's me. Next, you need some costume, some feathery flying wings, or maybe a superhero cape, or a pair of superhero boots. Next, you need some superpowers. Maybe flight, strength, or invisibility. Where am I? And then you need a super villain. I'm Distracto. Then you need someone to save. Save me! Save me! And now you're ready to write your superhero story. See you soon. Tyrrell, author. Bye.